Hello, my name is John Burns from Final Cut Pro classes, and I would like to talk about the four main editing tools right here that we have to put media into the timeline. So the first one that I usually use is append the selected clip to the primary storyline. And also the shortcut for that is E. And what that does, it's really good for roughing out. If you take a clip and hit in on the keyboard and mark it out where your playhead is, and when you hit this append the selected clip button, it puts it in the timeline. The good thing about this button is that it always puts the clip that you're editing in at the end of the timeline, no matter where your playhead is. So if I pick it in and out on this clip and I move my playhead to here because I want to look at it, and I hit this button, you can still see it goes to the end of the timeline. So that's basically what that does, that button. It always puts the clip at the end of the timeline, no matter where your playhead is. And that's the only button that does that it doesn't matter where the playhead is. It just always puts it at the end. So again, if I pick it in and out on this clip right here and I move the playhead even to the beginning and I hit the append button, again it puts the clip at the end of the timeline. So that's how the append button works. So it's really a good way to rough something out and you're looking at it and you want to scrub a little bit and see what you're doing and then pick the next clip and not have to worry about where the playhead is. So I hope that explains the append to primary storyline button. Thank you.